We all know that salespeople should be using video more effectively, more efficiently, frankly, better to connect with prospects and maybe even current customers. But how specifically do we do that? We're going to find out together right here on this episode of Video Sales Secrets, brought to you by Vidyard. I am Jay Baer, founder of Convince and Convert, and I am pumped about today's special guest on the show. It is Liz J. Simpson, who is the founder of Stimulyst and is also a social selling genius and a top 15 LinkedIn sales influencer in the world. Liz, thanks for being here.
It is my joy, Jay. Thanks for having me.
So you know that here on Video Sales Secrets, it is all about chicken, never about the egg. We're going to get right to it and save everybody time. So Liz, I know you've spent a lot of time on this topic. What is your best tip for salespeople who are looking to use video more effectively?
Absolutely. So my favorite tip is to leverage the unique capabilities of a tool like Vidyard to record yourself and your screen simultaneously while providing a quick win transformation for your buyer. Here's what this looks like. Everyone is fatigued from the commodity salesperson, and in today's day and age, your buyer is looking for a consultative, trusted advisor. So you want to think about, how can I add tremendous value to my buyer even before we might have a potential engagement? So we're not talking about fluff and general value. We're thinking about how I can specifically move the needle for my prospective buyer. So what you want to do is, on your screen, you want to pull up an asset of your buyers. That might be their LinkedIn profile, their website, an article that they're featured on, a podcast. And while you have that up and recorded on your screen, you'll also be recording your face while you talk. And we know the tremendous power of video is the emotional connection, the ability for someone to see your authentic communication style, your body language as you're engaging with them. And what we're going to do then, when we send that video to them, your video there is going to show the thumbnail of your buyer's asset. So it's immediately going to pique their interest to see, why is my website up here? This must be personalized communication that's custom tailored to me. And then when they watch the video, it triggers that emotional connection, but also the rationale of, wow, this person's already adding value before our first conversation, so it's worth my time. They've earned my time for communication. So my tip, record their screen, record yourself, and provide true personalized value in your first interaction.
I love that tip. It is so smart. Make it about them, not about you. Just make sure you do your research, because I get emails from people all the time without videos that say, hey, you should be a lot better at SEO. And I'm like, hey, we actually do like SEO consulting, so maybe we already are pretty good at that, right? It's just people who are just not paying attention. So don't do that, right? Don't just like knock out a video because you can. Actually do the research and add value. As Liz said, it's so good. Thank you so much for your expertise. You heard it here first on Video Sales Secrets, and you heard it from the legendary Liz J. Simpson, my friends. I'm Jay Baer. We'll be back next time with another episode. Yay, Liz. Great job.
Thanks, Jay.